Hello friends, welcome back to Food Marathon. Today I'm back with another sweet and super delicious recipe, the classic traditional gulab jamun, which is everybody's favorite. Even the kids love it. You can see how yum and super tempting it looks, and this is my mother's special recipe, so let's get started. So for gulab jamun we need 1 kg sugar, half kg khoya, 250 grams paneer, 150 grams maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 6 cups water, 4 green cardamom seeds crushed, little bit of saffron and ghee or oil for frying. So first we'll make one string chashni. For that we have to boil sugar and water and cook till sugar melts and one string chashni is formed. The sugar syrup should have an oil-like texture. Now crush cardamom seeds with 1 teaspoon sugar and make it into a powder. When one string chashni is formed, turn off the flame, add saffron strands and cardamom powder and let it cool for some time. One string chashni is ready now. Let's prepare the dough. For dough, first we have to take grated paneer and rub it into a smooth paste till no lumps are left. You have to rub the dough in this way so that it becomes smooth. Now add khoya, mix it and again rub it into a smooth paste till no lumps are there. After mixing khoya and paneer, add maida and again mix it and rub it into a smooth dough. You can see my dough is becoming smooth and fine. Add baking powder and mix everything again. The dough is ready now. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Make small equal size 45 to 50 crack-free balls. The balls should be very smooth. Now heat ghee or oil and deep fry the balls till dark golden brown at a low flame. Make sure the ghee is medium hot. If the dough is good, the balls will rotate on its own and turn around. You don't need to stir too much or it will break. And be very gentle while stirring. The balls are nicely fried. Take it out and add it in the sugar syrup. Make sure the sugar syrup is lukewarm, not too hot nor cold. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.